Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your review for part B. This is in order to do the test retake. I'm happy that you're joining me today. Okay, so the test retake, to do that, you'll have to complete the following. And we're going to go right down through it right now. Okay, we're going to put this in radical notation, which just means we're going to put it in 18 to the 6th under the 7th root. Over here, we'll go 1 over because of the negative, and then I'm going to have the 5th root of 10 squared. All right? Rewriting in rational exponent form, so that'd be 10 to the 9 eighths. This little 8 is the denominator of the exponent's fraction. So this is a fraction, so this would be x to the 1/4, and we'll get a negative with that because of it being in a denominator. So that's basically the first 4. You can see it goes by pretty quick. You don't want to miss those points. There's some of the least difficult points to earn. These are straight up calculator, so what you would type in is 81 to the 3/4. I'm going to do it by hand though, because it's not too bad. 4th root of 81 is 3, then I'm going to go 3 to the 3rd, which would be 27. 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. Cube root of negative 27 is negative 3, and then I'm going to do negative 3 to the 5th. Well, 3 to the 3rd is 27, 3 to the 4th is 81. 81 times 3 is 300 and, let's see, 81 times 3, right? So it'd be 3, 24, 243. So I'm going to jump back. 243, and it will be negative because it's an odd power. Solve the equation. Round your answers to 2 decimal places, so I'll have to break up the calculator here. So to start out, I'm going to have negative 5x cubed minus 20 equals 47. I'm sorry, 49. You can see that 2 here. 2 plus 7 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm going to move over the 20, so I'm going to add 20 to get 69. We're going to divide by negative 5. And then we're going to do the cube root of whatever 69 divided by negative 5 is. And this is where I'll put my rounded answer. So let's go ahead and punch this in. All right. So we're going to do cube root of negative 69 divided by 5. So we're looking at negative 2.398, which rounds up to 2.40. Okay, let's go to our next guy. I'm going to divide by 3 to start. So I have 2x minus 1 squared equals 16. I'm going to take the square root, which would be positive negative 4. Sorry about that. So we have 2x minus 1 equals 4. 2x minus 1 equals negative 4. So this would be 2x equals 5. So x is going to be 5 over 2, or 2.5. So it'll be 2x equals negative 3. So that'll be negative 3 over 2, or negative 1.5. All right, so 2.5 and negative 1.5, and negative 2.40 for 7. All right, and moving right along, let's go through 9 through 12. So this will be 27 times 3, which is 81 to the 1/4. So that would be 3. Or you could do this is 3 to the 3rd, 1/4, 3 to the 1/4. Power to a power multiplies. This is 3 to the 3/4. 3/4 plus 1/4 is 1. So either way, it's the same answer. Great. 14. Let's go ahead and add these exponents since we have the calculator. I'll show you how easy this is to do in the calculator. See, even I can be resourceful here. 6/7 plus 2/5. All right. 44 over 35. Okay. And then I'm going to multiply that by 3. So that would be 14 to the 132 over 35. You know how to use your calculator? It makes life a lot easier. Coming down here, simplify the following. So we have the 4th root of 7 over the 4th root of 9. Okay, so this is 7 to the 1/4 times 9 to the negative 1/4. All right, and that's that. I would accept that. That's okay. Could write this as 3 squared and then reduce it, but okay, it didn't say anything about changing the bases. So 25 times 10 is 250, which is 125 times 2. So we're looking at 5 cube root of 2. Okay, and again, let's keep this show rolling here. So here are your next two, 13 and 14. Squeeze these in here. Let's break down 54. And that's 27 times 2. And then this will be 64 times 2. Cube root of 27 is 3, so I have 4 times 3 times the cube root of 2. Over here, the cube root of 64 is 4. Cube root of 2. So this is 12 cube roots of 2 minus 44 cube roots of 2. This will be negative 32 cube roots of 2. Coming down here, we're going to put in 82 cubic centimeters in for our volume. All right. Divide by 2.18, and then we'll take the cube root of that answer. So I have a cubed equaling some kind of large number here. So let's go 82 divided by 2.18. 37.614678. I'll move the calculator here in a second. I'm going to take the cube root. And second answer. So we're looking at 3.35 to 2 decimal places. All right. And if you need a clearer shot at that so you can actually see it, there you go. And my units, if you want to put units in here, would be a centimeter. All right. And now the last three at the bottom. So we're going to simplify all the following. I'm going to subtract 5, 6, and 1. 1's larger than 5, 6, so x will stay on bottom. That will be 1, 6. Y is larger on top, and that will be 1, which is 8/8. 8/8 minus a 3/8 is 11/8. Because remember, when you subtract a negative, that becomes plus. And to finish this up, I'll write them both in the numerator, times x to the negative, sorry, not to clean up my handwriting there, to the negative 1/6. So 11/8 for the y, negative 1/6 for the x. On this side, this is y to the 8/4, x to the 18/4. So this is y squared. This is x to the 9/2. So y squared times x to the negative 9/2. All right, over here, 24/6, x to the 15/6. So that'll be y to the 4th. This will be 5/2. So y to the 4th times x to the negative 5/2. And that's that. All right. So again, that's the review sheet. This is probably your 3rd time through. Probably, hopefully, seeing the rhythm of the madness. So when you do your retake, everything should go well. Good luck, guys, and have a great year. All right. See ya.